Garlic. I always stick garlic in the ground here and there. It's kind of a bug repellent. Slugs don't get it. Once in a while I see a garlic that gets eaten, but usually it's pretty good stuff. I've seen farmers use it as a bug repellent. It's pretty hilarious watching those farmers run when it hit the hit the food. Anyway, I'm gonna dig this up. This is one that I missed. I stuck a clove in there. It grew, and then the cloves developed, and since I forgot to take it out of the ground, or I missed it, maybe it was probably under something. Anyway, here's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pop them all out of there, like that. Shake them a little bit. They're coming out real easy. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, they're all ready to separate and put back into the ground. Yeah. Sorry about that. I'm looking at what I'm doing and I'm missing the garlic. But anyway, I'll just draw a little line. I'll just put them right here. I'll just make a line here like this. Stick them back in. But anyway. So I have them planted in the same spot, just spread out some. And the chickens are trained to stay away from things that are marked with sticks. And I train them with a squirt bottle. It works. Anyway, so far it's been working pretty good on most things. So I'm going to fill it in with a little straw. I'll get a few more sticks to protect it. And I'll have this in between squash and tomatoes. And like I said, I think it helps with the bugs. Anyway, you have a good day. Hope you enjoyed the video.